Hello everyone. Say I'm making a screencast right now to demonstrate how music should be working for you. By now, you should not be seeing any other states lessons, but I do want to show you something that I discovered that might also be causing a little bit of confusion. So this is Unit 1, and as you can see, we've got Lesson 1, Step into the Spotlight, Lesson 2, I've been working on the railroad, Lesson 3, One Small Voice, and so forth. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on Lesson 4 here, say Patriotic Melody, and I'm going to open up the studio. Okay, just like I showed you in my screencast the other week, you're going to launch your Spotlight on Music, and then you have to go up into the menu. Now you're not going to see this happen here. Let me move my screencast up. There we go. Now you should see the menu. Just like I showed you the other time on my screencast, click Spotlight on Music. And what's going to end up happening is, again, click on where it says grade 3, so you kind of open up the unit list. Okay, so here we are. We are at the first unit, and as you can see, lessons 1, 2, 3, and 4, that patriotic medley that I clicked on is listed as 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is where the confusion comes in. Notice now when I click on Unit 1, it almost seems like it wants to start the lessons over again as Lesson 1, but I'll tell you a little trick. If I go back to the online school, close this out, you're going to notice that in Unit 1, technically, let me move my screen down here. I'm going to move this down. I'm going to scroll down. Technically, in the online school, Lesson 5, Music for the Fun of It, is supposed to be Lesson 5. But back at Music Studio, Music for the Fun of It is called the opener. So this is what I think is causing some confusion. You can't necessarily rely on what the online school is saying as far as what the lesson should be. You have to solely rely on the lesson title. And then when you go into the music studio, just look for the actual title and not for it to sync up with the lesson number, because it's not going to. Okay, let me know if you have any questions, but I hope this helps clear anything up, and you should be able to start working in your music again. Thank you.